Okay, I just found a new locksmithing shop, so I went and visited them today, and I had a really nice time. The guy there knew a lot about it, and he got us talking about biometrics and such like. But yeah, didn't buy any biometrics. But one thing I did buy, I bought a couple of things. One thing I bought was this commercial master. So it's a Master 27. As you can see, it is rekeyable, and it looks very similar to the Master Lock 1100 series key. That's what I thought, and so I came home and I had a look. I got an American lock key out, and see if I could see if it would fit in the keyway, but it doesn't quite fit. It's a similar profile, but the dimensions are different. So yeah, it's actually, how much was it? It was 42. It was including tax. It was 42.55. So it's almost £40, almost $50. So, and is it worth it? Well, I don't know. I mean, for the price point, it's not too bad for the price point, but we'll have to. You'll have to make up your own mind. I mean, it's a lot more difficult than regular master lock. It is. What am I going to use? Law lock. We'll try law lock. We'll try law lock in the top, and let's see if we can pick. And the main difference is this has spools. The commercials have spools, whereas the regular master locks don't. So I've opened it a couple of times once I got it home, and I picked it straight away. It took about 10 minutes. And it was a lot of fun. Always playing with spools is always fun. Just got to a counter rotation there. That's set. Counter and set. There we go. And it is. Yeah. I mean, you can see there, it's not a ball bearing, it's a retractable. It's the retractable, can I push that? Yeah, it's retractable, so it's, but yeah, there we go. It is a, oh damn, I've broken it. Oh, I thought I couldn't get the key back in. I thought I'd turned it, but yeah. Now that that's closed, can I retract the spring? Yeah. So it will be. No, I don't think it will be shallow, even though it's retractable. Instead of being flat across here, they've cut little recesses out. So it's like a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's like an octagon. So you can't get, once you get there, once you get around here, it catches on the flat bit. It doesn't, it's not flat all the way across. It's a kind of a section of a hexagon. So you can't, even if you could slide a shim down the side here, it wouldn't go anywhere. Once you hit there, that line, it wouldn't go anywhere. So I don't know. I mean, I suppose you could shim it if you had the time and the patience. But yeah, it's that's the master commercial for you. Hope the video was informative. Number 27, rekeyable, 3 spools, 42.55 in euros.